Welcome students, hope you all are doing good. This is your Islamiyat unit and I am your teacher Miss Amreen. Today we will start our new chapter Good Manners and the topic is Good Relation with People. Islam has told us to be kind and gentle towards our relatives. The closest to us are our parents and our family members. We must love, obey, and respect our parents. In the Quran, Allah has told us to be kind to our parents, to be patient with them, and to pray for them. We must try to please our parents and get their blessings. If our parents are not alive, we must pray for their maghfirat and do good so that they may also get the reward for our good actions. We must also love, care for, and be helpful and kind to our brothers, sisters, and our family members. It is good to give them small gifts from time to time. Allah does not like a person who is unkind to his relatives. Our neighbors live close to us. We must be careful not to make them uncomfortable with our actions. For example, we must never throw our garbage near their door or disturb them by loud music. We must try to help them if they are sick or need our help and sometimes send them nice food. Our teachers also deserve our respect and obedience. They are like our parents at school. They teach us good things and guide us in the right direction. Anyone who teaches us something good must be respected. We spend a lot of time with our friends in school and outside. We learn a lot from each other. We must try to choose good friends who are sincere and have good habits. We must always be ready to help our friends. Be sincere to them and stop them from doing something that is wrong or might be harmful for them. It is also good to give them small gifts to show our love. We must also be kind to our servants and not give them too much work or make them do some work which is very difficult for them. We must not use bad language with them or be disrespectful to them. Hope you all have understood. Now coming towards the assignments. Today's assignment is question: how should we treat our neighbors? Describe in the light of teaching of Islam. Do the given homework in your exercise book. Make sure your work should be neat and clean. Have a nice day.